So today on Stop Drawing Flat Art, we're going to be talking about lines. Now, we look at lines as like just a simple part of like drawing. You use lines to draw your image, but lines can be so much more. So today we're going to talk about three ways you can use lines to improve your artwork. So the first one is depth, and here you can see I drew two boxes using similar line weights. You can use line thickness to emphasize depth. If you see this versus this, I emphasized one of the boxes to bring it out of frame relative to the other box. So this is one way you can use it. The other way you can use it is to emphasize overlap. If you see this versus this, if you emphasized the point of contact between two objects when they overlap by increasing the line thickness, you get something called, it's a T overlap basically, but you can emphasize the T overlap by increasing the thickness of where two lines meet. You can do this a lot in your line art. If you find out your line art is very flat, just look at the contact point between two lines and add a little bit of line weight. Add a little bit of line weight at that contact point. You see the difference it will make in your artwork. Now the third one we can use it to do is to depict lighting. So here I drew an orange with similar line weight, and here I drew another orange by varying the line weight. So clearly, just by looking at this, you can already tell that this is the direction light is coming from, and it is hitting the orange at this side. Because of the way I varied the line weight, I gave it kind of like a form shadow, and it's not a shadow. All I did was increase line weight. I didn't do any shading, and just by increasing the line weight, I was able to depict lighting. And hopefully with this little exercise I've been able to explain to you, you can, there's still a lot we can talk about on this topic, but with this little exercises, hopefully you can apply them to your artwork and get better. If you want me to explain anything for that, let me know in the comments and I'll come back to the topic and expand on it.